Bistat man kikilalanan ng King Global Market, manatili ang mantade at aktibo ing Mekeni Food Corporation King Local Food Industries keti Pampanga. I'm historianong Patricia Mamang.
Kabang lalawak King Global Market, pamuring mga lingon ng Mekeni Food Corporation na suportan ing local food industry at niyayaliwang makayagne king serbisyo king rehiyon. Agpangkang Mekeni President Prudencio Garcia, todo suporta ing kumpanya king One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo uling babalik da na kanuniti nung nukarin niya menibatan. Jesse Garcia, king Kapihan Media Forum ning Pampanga Press Club o PPC, king Swiss Hotel Clark, kayabe ring lead convener ning Expo, adina Chef Felix Asuncion at event organizer Chi Basco.
Sabi ko, we are now moving on a global arena. We want to show that Mekeni is not just about our hot dogs, about tocino, longanisa. There must be something. So we'll be now celebrating our 40th anniversary by next year. So ang topic namin dito sa Mekeni grupo namin is not just about what we have achieved as a company, but more so of what we can contribute to the community.
Ibat king backyard business daring ni Sawang Mestra, adina Felix at Meding Garcia king Porak, ngeni 40 years ne king industriya ing Mekeni. Akabyusa neniti ing pinatubo eruption, Asian currency crisis, bird flu scare, at COVID-19 pandemic. Para kang Garcia, maulagang ma-inspire laring small businesses at start-up.
Kaya siguro ito yung magiging role namin dito sa is we want to showcase that also for those small businesses, mga small major person magsisimula pa lang, we want to inspire them. Mahirap pero hindi siya imposible.
Ngeni at tsunala king 23 abansa ring Mekeni products. Agpangkang Assistant Vice President Marilu Olalia Uy, kabilang keting US, Canada, Australia, Middle East, Japan at Europe. Exclusive yan naman ng Mekeni bilang only PH meat company na malyaring mag-export heat-treated products king Japan.
We're happy to report that we are present to more than 20 countries. I think we're 23 countries and counting. Thank you po. Our major markets are USA, Canada, kung saan po maraming Pilipino. Kasi we bring our products closer to Filipinos around the globe. We're also happy to announce that we're still the only meat processing company that can export directly to Japan. We're the only company that can export heat-treated products to Japan. Nandoon po ang famous na picnic hotdog natin, ang longganisa natin, yung Mekeni longganisa, and of course, the marine items.
Kawani king sikat na picnic hotdog, tocino, longganisa, fish balls, squid balls, at kikiam, mag-produce nala namang halal certified goods para king Middle East market. Samantala, pepasyag na namang Asuncion na yung Food and Beverage Expo, mo basta Food Expo.
And also, it's actually, if you're going to look at all the exhibitors, it's a end-to-end, it's a full-scale ecosystem. Kung makikita po ninyo, we have the financial sector, we have the food sector, we also have the housing, and under one po. Kumbaga, umiikot po yung ating expo. Not only just, of course, the focus is food and beverage, but we also engage and consider yung mga services po within the ecosystem.
Ganapan niya yung One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo king daratang September 13 to 14 na king SMX Convention Center, SM Clark. Asahan niya iting maging grandest food expo king Central Luzon nung nukarin bidala ring chefs, food manufacturers, service providers at aliwa pang big players king industriya. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.